Hola nihayos, welcome back to my channel. Today, I know you have been waiting for my cooking video, right? I'm gonna cook traditional Japanese healthy breakfast. My mom is a great mother. As you know, mother is always busy. Sometimes she doesn't have energy for making great breakfast. So please remember, this kind of food is not daily breakfast. So what am I gonna cook today? Number one, grilled salted salmon. It's a very traditional and healthy, good for breakfast, lunch, dinner, for all the time. And number two, miso soup with nameko mushroom and tofu. Sometimes we just skip the nameko mushroom, only miso and tofu. That's also very common. But today, I want to add nameko mushroom. It's a kind of slimy mushroom. I'm going to show you later. And then number three, spinach thing. I don't know how to say in English, so I'm gonna show you anyway. And of course with rice. I guess when you come to Japan and if you have a chance to choose your breakfast, you will see this kind of like set meal. Anyway, let's get started. Alright, these are today's ingredients. Green onion, tofu, wakame seaweed. This is the nameko, slimy mushroom, salted salmon. Let's make spinach thing first. Wash the spinach well. I'm gonna make some soup for spinach. Add some sake and mirin. It's kind of sweet sake. Yeah. Same amount. And boil it. Soup is boiled. Add this dashi. This is like chicken soup, but this is made from fish. The fish made broth, powder, and some powder here. And also add some soy sauce. We're gonna boil the spinach now. Hard for 30 seconds. Oh, you gotta put some salt. And put everything. The color will change. It's gonna become like darker green. Just for 30 seconds. And done. Take it out. It looks beautiful, darker green. You're gonna winch it. Now it looks like this, and you're gonna cut them. Keep them in your container for a while. Add this soup. Dip them into the soup for 10 minutes. Many Japanese households have this kind of grill in the kitchen. Just in case you don't have this, I'm gonna cook the salmon with the pan. At the same time, I'm gonna cook the miso soup. Boil some water. Add just a little bit oil. Put the salmon. Grill it for 3-4 minutes. Wash nameko. Nameko looks like this, kind of slimy, you know. After washing, it looks like this. Cut tofu. I'm gonna put it, this is too much, just half of it. When you cut tofu, you cut it on your hand. And make it like dice size. Okay, a little bit smaller. Can you see it? The salmon is getting better, they're changing, so turn it over. Put the lid on the pan for grill for another 3 minutes. Add this dashi powder in the miso soup. The nameko as well. Some wakame is too big, so chop them. I completely forgot about this onion. Cut them. This green part as well. This is also too much, so leave them for tomorrow. Put onions into your miso soup. Salmon is also ready. Add the miso finally. Put miso on the strainer and put them into miso soup. You know, stir it. Miso soup, huh? Okay, wooden soup bowl, which I also sell. Done. Spinach is also ready. Add some white sesame. Actually, I had this fake leaf, so it looks better with this. Rice is also ready. When it's done, I'm sweating. Alright, what do you think? It looks great, doesn't it? Chopsticks and rice and salmon. It would be great if there is a grated radish over here. And miso soup, great. Spinach, great. Okay, let me eat. It's getting cold, I guess. With salmon. Getting cold. This salmon is not very salty. Spinach. Good. With soup. Nameko is too slimy to pinch. To be honest, salmon is not very good. The spinach is great. Miso soup, I should have added more miso. I think this is our traditional breakfast. I'm done. Today's best dish was the spinach. That was great. I hardly have this kind of healthy breakfast. This is the greatest thing that human can ever invent. This is called fruit granola. Granola. This is the best thing. Even when I was in Shanghai, I bought this almost every weekend at Japanese department store, Zhouguang. If you are lazy in the morning, you can also try this. By the way, did you see this chopstick stand? Look, it's so adorable, right? I just went to the $1 shop, the Daiso. You can find anything at Daiso. I hope you enjoyed my video and found it informative. If you have any requests, please leave your comment here. Also, if you love this kind of kokeshi doll, this is a very large one. If you like this kind of handcraft, please visit our website. I hope you enjoyed my video and see you next time. Bye.
碰到一家，第二家，如果你想来的话，你问什么东西？Hola，你好，Yuya。这边是冲绳的有点特别的地方，有好多 KTV 的那种地方。这个地方呢叫冲绳的松山。如果我带这个 video 的话，他们不会跟我打招呼的，所以我先不带，先给你听一听他们的声音嘛，然后给你看看这个环境是什么样的，好吗？那走吧，走吧。休んできます。今からご飯か。どれぐらいで探してるんですか？そう僕のいいですか？浦島放題。真的，他们可以跟我打招呼呢。我走了只有5分钟，4、5个人已经跟我打招呼了，我就跑了。